had to regulate.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will be remaking my pillowcases. In my previous redecorating video, I told you that I would show you how, so here's how. Let's jump right in. I still want to keep the same shape as my original pillow shams, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out all of these threads. That way I can keep the same amount of fabric and I'm not changing the shape too much. For a quick pro tip, keep all your threads and cut them at a length where you can tie them off and just pull the threads through. That way you don't have to rethread the entire machine again. Here I'm just ironing out the creases to make it as flat as possible before I cut out these square shapes from each of the fabrics. I am using a plaid fabric that is green, as well as a dark green suede fabric that is a bit stretchy too. Now that I have both pieces of fabric cut out, I'm just going to cut each of those in half. That way there's a front and back piece for both pillows. I'm also adding the red zipper. I'm just folding down the fabric a ½ inch twice. That makes it a full inch, and pinning the zipper to each side. Now let's get to sewing. First up, we're just gonna sew the zippers onto the sides. If you need to open up the zipper, maybe halfway, a little more than halfway, just so you can have an opening and enough space to go down the line. I'm currently sewing this at about 1/4 inch. Now that we have a fully functioning zipper, we can go ahead and close off the rest of it. I'm just gonna sew the sides with a zigzag stitch, and this will be at a ½ inch. Make sure that you're doing this with both pillowcases. With both pillowcases finished, let's go ahead and put these on the bed. I hope that you love this video, and if you would like to see more from me, subscribe to the channel and follow my social media, all linked in the description below. See you guys next time. Bye.
Go!